Right, guys, so we're back with another video.
I'm over here. Sorry.
Oh, wow.
This is also.
Anyway, I'm not sure if you can see the face up. Yeah,
vlog,
Kyle, we're
I'm here.
there.
I'm this one that's patting my head.
Yeah, him. Right. We're facing his fear. He's really scared of this
My stream was good. Like
movie. I've had to crop the screen a bit because it's like just like the picture's terrible. But yeah, guys, let's get right into it.
This movie creeps me out like hell. Okay.
Kyle just somehow gets. I've seen it like 5 times.
It just creeps me out like hell.
What bit?
It's usually when they're like, you see the bit when she offers the button eyes.
Right, so it's literally there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear the sound for this because the recorder does the recorder do sound?
Yes, it does. Wait, does it? Oh, it does.
Computer sound.
Does it? Only his computer sound does it? Or I don't know.
Wait, what am I doing? Oh, I know what to do. It's not too loud, but right, this is just to getting started. Kyle?
Yeah. This is not that bad, like, cause it's
just a creepy doll.
Yes, like, by some metal.
That's the mom.
Yeah.
This is kind of a spoiler because I've seen it. We're gonna do this in parts, so
we can skip parts, I suppose.
No, we're just gonna do it in parts. Because I can do in like 10 minutes of this bit.
You guys might not be able to view this because someone might flag it for copyright.
This wasn't flagged for copyright, so
this video wasn't. So
it's just mean people do that, or YouTube. YouTube will just be finding it and then be like, people. Okay, that's weird music. Right. Yeah. So what's that? So this is the mom that like. Well, I'm not gonna really say because that would kind of be spoiling.
I know what half is because I watched it on holiday, but
you watched like. Oh, so yeah, this like I'm not. I know the movie.
That's me. Yeah.
Alright, I'm just
gonna. It's weird how it's the alternate worlds.
No, okay, let's just. It's just them arriving. Honk, honk. I'm just gonna kind of explain what the sounds are because I don't think you can hear them. So this is the moving van.
No, I think they can't hear our voices. Maybe can
they? See microphone.
Oh.
Right.
Yeah, off.
Microphone's on. Thing is off.
Oh, yeah, might.
Right, so that's a lot of boxes.
Okay. Pro recorder.
Pro recorder might get. Right. Our Wi-Fi is still really bad. I don't know if you can't see this because I cropped the thing, but it's like literally the video is hardly loading. So I'm sorry. So she's singing. Like there's just music.
Oh yeah, it's a record to computer.
Oh yeah, she uses them to navigate her face. No, not navigate around.
Spoil it. So guys, you probably got to hear the computer, I think.
Yeah, that's fine though, because there's not much. Let me just
like you hear what they're saying. You won't hear what they're saying, but lots of the time.
I see what's like this bit.
Because you kind of see my reaction. So guys, so
yeah, this is what the screen actually looks like. That's what like we're seeing.
So we're not.
Yeah. So we see the corner of the face cam and stuff. So what bit do you not like?
When her mom starts getting a bit evil, sort of. When her other mom. starts doing
Okay.
other one starts being.
Just say if there's anything. Like, we're just kind of reacting to this. Like,
I know, so you don't need the volume, but like
I think she's running from the cat.
it might make we want to make another one with volume maybe or
No, because we're just gonna make part 1 and part 2 then.
okay. Yeah, she screams just to keep playing. You scare me, baby. She's just ranting at it, ranting at her. Yeah, she's basically ranting at it, so I've been trying to get information out of it.
Here's the guy's bike.
So when did the horn come? This bit I think is
Do we
like
normally run from that? Like,
you can just cover your face.
okay.
Doesn't
There's the mouse on his head. Some mouse on his head.
And if I'm a water witch,
Okay, so she's talking about being a water witch.
she's not too hard.
I think she's looking for the, what do you call it? The well there.
It's supposed to be so
And he's showing her that it's there.
see a sky full of stars in the middle of the day. Surprised to let you move in. My grandma, she owns the pink.
So we're basically having a conversation.
So they're like having a, like, he's saying, I'm surprised you moved in and stuff.
I'm Whitey. Why below that?
Introducing themselves.
Whitey? Short for Whiteboard. Not my idea, of course. What'd you get that? I wasn't a fan of the name. Caroline what? Coraline. Coraline Jones.
No,
It's
no.
not real scientific, but I heard an ordinary name like Caroline. People have ordinary expectations about a person. I think I heard someone
There.
calling you Wyborn. What? I didn't hear anything. Oh, I definitely heard someone. Why were you born?
Okay, she just said I definitely heard something. Why were you born?
Yeah, so like, he's got weird name. Wyborn.
Wyborg. And she said, why were you born?
Look.
Yeah.
Why? Who's that dowsing rod of yours? It's poison oak.
So he knows the place.
Yeah.
And she just got poison oak on her hands. Right.
He skips a little because the space just kind of like that in me. Why?
You then like no one have an idea of what happened. Right.
Like just skip to the part when she's in bed. So.
When she's in bed,
Well, no,
you're like,
that's not what I mean.
not right in the head.
Pensive.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect weather for that.
So she's asking me to go out.
You must make her mom angry.
Isn't that why we moved here?
That's like the whole way, like, she doesn't like her mom.
Then we had the accident. It wasn't my fault you hit that truck. Who said it was?
Right.
You still have unpacking to do. Lots of unpacking.
Okay.
Right. So this is when it starts getting creepy. So I'm gonna pause it there, and guys, yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.